Welcome back to My Vegan World. Today we're going to show you a little technique on how to julienne and to dice vegetables. We're going to demonstrate on carrots. First you cut them in half, half again, then you cut them lengthwise so you get some nice long strips, just like this. Now you're going to take those strips and cut them again until you get long little matchsticks, which are juliennes. So you do that for the rest of them. You're going to cut them 2 or 3 more times until you have a little matchsticks like this. And here's our julienne. Now we take it this way and we turn our julienne into a dice. This will work on any vegetable. The same technique, you could do it for onions, peppers, potatoes, anything you want. And that's how you go from a julienne to a dice. Depending on how thick or chunky of a dice you want, you just change how you did it. There you go. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful.